Dapat ituin ako, Honorable Kiko A. Ayan! Naimbag ka madam! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat! Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen!
Face-to-face, enjoying all the activities for this year's Pamulinaw War Showdown. Mas nakalesa for na hindi natin na magaganap in a while.
That's right, answer kaya naman lawag. Palakpakan po natin ang mga barangays at ang kanilang mga opisyales at performers, maging ang ating City Government of Lawag together with the Fiesta Directorate and organizers of the Lawag Street Dance Competition. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat po.
As we begin, let wisdom and light shine upon us all as we all together pray. Together with Summy Wing Stingers.
Dance competition at kasama din natin ngayon ang Moscow National High School Tamborels. This evening.
And now, Clyde, as we begin with our first cluster, the presentation of Cluster 1 is a new perspective of the love story of Pamulinawen and her suitor. It is incorporation of the Ilocano tradition during fiestas, which is the Dayana as a tool in securing the sweet approval of Pamulinawen. Dayana around the city is part of the tradition of Ilocanos, where they need to roam around the city or in their respective places while beating the drum. This is a way of disseminating an information before, and at the same time, it is a sign that the fiesta officially started. That is why in the dance routine, there are drums incorporated, wherein the dance dancers are doing the Diana. The man tries to catch the attention of Pamulinawen while they are having the Diana around the city. The man has succeeded and continued to show his pure intention to Pamulinawen. The nimble movements of the dancers depict the funny side of the suitor, and the flowers depict its pure intention to Pamulinawen. In the end, they both fell in love with each other. Ladies and gentlemen, our first contingent.
Contingent number 1, binubuo ng Barangays San Lorenzo headed by Kapitan Melvin Santos, Santa Joaquina headed by Barangay Captain Don Carlo A. Toledanes, Barangay 3, Nuestra Senora del Rosario headed by Barangay Captain Suzanne A. Bueno, Barangay 4, San Guillermo headed by Barangay Captain Ferdinand P. Pasion, at ang cluster leader ang Barangay Captain ng Barangay San Pedro, Barangay Captain Alfredo M. Peralta.
Isa ng member dancers si Cluster 7 at Agong Buklin, Talingaan, Suyo, Santa Maria, Bira, Kasilikan. Since Ubina, passion ko talaga ito. So na-motivate ako na agsalitan na ito. Alam ko pinakatulang ko ng Cluster 7.
Ang pinaka na kaya ipapang ko sumali ka gusto ka ba? Ngayon, in-push ko di sarili ko sumali. Kaya naawatan damit din na sitwasyon. Patulayan ka, mga bangkang neto yan.
Siya ni Rodeline Melchor at Nael, Barangay Taytumi, Santa Maria, Loax. Haanag madanagan.
As a symbol of transition, with a desire to cross the other side, Gilbert Bridge hails as a meeting point between the different cultures from the nearby provinces. In this dance regalia, we unravel the distinctiveness of the sturdy lifeline as it tells
next contingent for Lawag Street Dance Competition. Ito na po ang Cluster 4. Lawag, a redeeming city of hope and love, paralleled with luminosity of people's ingenuity, resiliency, and burning passion towards great mission with grand solidarity amongst enormous challenges in battle. The city's pride radiates, all because of the people's pride to uplift each other by helping and reconciling to the highest level of achievements. Above all of this, Lawag stays so humble as a hidden gem in the north, a little dot that explodes its ramifying light, a home of beaming and gleaming compassionate people that is forever grateful to be true-blooded Lawageños. Honorable Jefferson Flores.
Barangay San Quirino, Puro Barangay, we have Amar Liano, of course.
And Barangay 19, Santa Marcela, with of course Miss Divina C. Kenny.
And everyone approaching our contingent number 3. Composed of Barangay San Lorenzo, Santa Joaquina, Nuestra Señora del Rosario, San Guillermo, San Pedro, and everybody. They are currently incorporating the Ilocano tradition during fiestas, which is the Dayana as a tool in securing the sweet approval of Pamulinawin. And that is why in the dance routine there are drums incorporated wherein the dancers are
Barangay Captains Melvin Santos, Honorable Dan Carlo Toledanes, Honorable Suzanne Bueno, Honorable Ferdinand Passion, led by Cluster Leader, Barangay Captain Alfredo M. Peralta.
Lawag, please welcome Cluster 1! Or baka marami siyang dalang ramen ngayon.
Nasa dalawang lang yun.
Thank you.
Come on.
Ay, diretso sa'yo, Clyde.
Pasalore.
There we go. Our third kalesa.
With the concept, pasan ko ang daigdig. Sa tuwing kabilugan ng buwan, ang mga mangingisda ay nagtitipon-tipon sa tabing dagat upang ihanda ang mga kailanganin sa pangingili o ang ritual ng kasaganaan bilang pag-aalay kay San Rafael del Arcangel na simbolo ng pasasalamat sa mga biyayang handog ng dagat at ng patron ng mga mangingisda. Ito ay pinangungunahan ng isang timon, ang pinaka-leader na siyang magsisilbing gabay ng mga kasamahang mangingisda patungo sa lugar kung saan isasagawang quarter ng taon. Ladies and gentlemen, once again palakpakan po natin contingent number 4, Cluster 9. Ramos Sur with Barangay Captain here, C. Ramos Sr., Barangay Cabin. We have Barangay Captain Sergi C. Alonso and Barangay Arangil with Barangay...
And then, and now everyone approaching our main station. Saririt ket tarigagay na balitukuan nga lames ti mapandawayatan. Panagkalap ti kangrunahan ang pagsapulan da. Dagiti mangalap ket ags lames ang magtedrag o ket rangay tinunggal pamilya. Ipod balitok alalangsel dagiti sabali ang baryo. Lames as simbolo ti ranyag ket tatakela. Tipuli anay idumduma at biag Metro La Paz.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome contingent number 5, Cluster A, Viva Metro La Paz!
Barangay 32C La Paz East sa punong Barangay Jerome Asuncion. Barangay 33A La Paz proper Pablo Martina Jr. the punong Barangay Force, and at the same time 33B La Paz proper punong Barangay Adremalec Tayamen, headed by the cluster leader punong Barangay Adremalec Tayamen. Thank you.
For the Dominant Catholic Faith, the Feast of St. Joseph is one of them. Every March 19, the Feast of St. Joseph is a celebration of work and bounty. Cluster 6 is ready to demonstrate an exemplary routine to foster deep devotion to St. Joseph and make people aware of the dignity of human work because it is equipped with good morals from Him. Work is holy and is the reason we serve Him through work. Viva San Jose, Pagrambakan, Fiesta ni San Jose! with Barangay Captain Victor Flores Jr., Barangay 26 San Mauricio, Barangay Captain Romulo P. Gabriel, Barangay 27 Nuestra Senora de Soledad, with Barangay Captain Teresa C. Felipe, Barangay 28 San Bernabe, with Barangay Captain Elmer Shazon, Barangay 29 Santo Tomas, with Barangay Captain Franklin P. De La Cruz, and Barangay Lagisan. Structural changes, but the old gray sinking bell tower still stands, tarnished only by the passing of time, which gives Lawagueños one reason to celebrate QPXs. Again, palakpakan po natin lahat, contingent number 8, Cluster 12! Roque, Barangay Darayday, Barangay Captain Susa, Lorenzo, Barangay Raraburan, Elmer, Maulin, and ang kanilang cluster leader, ang Barangay Captain ng Barangay Butong, Barangay Captain.
McDonald's Lawag.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Hi, Tony G! Ice coffee, ha?
Tayo namin nandito. Yan. Thank you so much for really supporting our guests. There you go.
Ayan, natapos din ang paghahanap ng mga materyales si PJ Sangkuli.
Approaching Cluster 2. Yeah, come on. Keep the energy going, everyone.
Nasaksyon ay ako India, panang presenter na iti pag-istoryaan, iti na ipunang kusaksak, apan ang pasengkada, ken panang rambak, iti kaaldawan ng San Guillermo, na maangay tunggal makisang apulong maaldaw, iti bulan di Pebrero.
Thank you. And presenting our 9th Kalesa, we have the Ilocos Norte College of Arts and Trades Progress and the manager, Ma'am Ego, INCAT Multi-Purpose Cooperative. Thank you, INCAT MDC.
And now, mapaspasawanan tayo matagagayan ng Tenda Kabsat contingent number. During fiesta, we find them constantly raising their souls through the years as enthusiasts of the colorful carnival. The thrilling amusement rides, exciting screams of the children, food vendors shouting, and the familiar melody from the roots of the game of chance. Influenced by the Western cultures, it appears as a historic symbol for a niche for telling stories of living a colorful life, of experiencing and evolving into a richer festivity along the crossroads of the Babuinawan story in the Carnival Fair. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, contingent number 10, Cluster 11! punong barangay Amayalito, Nicolas, Barangay Bengkag, Barangay Captain Calvino, Ubay, and of course, ang cluster leader, ang Barangay Captain ng Barangay Kabungan South, punong barangay Mary Rose F. de la Cruz.
Alright, and now to complete our Kalesas for this year's Kalesa Parade, please welcome Cafe Lug. We have yours.
Competition on to our next contingent answer.
There you go. Ready for experts to nearby provinces. Lawag, please welcome Cluster 13.
As a merriment, the wedding banquet covers sumptuous foods which will be served and latter showcase the traditional drinking of basi or rice wine that symbolizes the blending of two lives into one, which reflects the sharing of all bitter and sweet experiences together as they journey towards a married life.
Once again, approaching our main station, please welcome
selebrasyon na
About livelihood.
noon kaya natin parang lang simple celebration. Ngayon, pwede na siya nating i-present dito ngayon. Of course, ang magbubugay din sa
The sun's brightness and splendor. Yellow stands for light as a symbol of life, happiness, prosperity, and divinity. And the brilliant red symbolizes desire, energy, vitality, and power. The dancers represent the people of Lawag who are rising up and fighting back after being challenged for 2 years by the pandemic. And now we can start again with the smiles and joy of the Lawagueños. Because this feast of Pamulinawan Festival is unique and even more beautiful than before. We all have the will to fight. We dance with our souls and hearts no matter what occurs. We won't give up. Embrace and be mesmerized with Cluster 14 as they perform the Ilocano tradition of Are-Are. Jr. Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome contingent number 14. We have Cluster 3. The Sunshine City of Lawag is a major shrine of William Balaval, also known as Saint William the Hermit, the legendary beautiful Pamulinawan, and how Pamulinawan Festival was celebrated in the city, showcasing the beauty and treasure of intangible cultural heritage of Alawagueño, and how special practices, rituals, festive events in the city that was passed by generation to generation. Panangayat kinsan kiliyan mo, impayan mo, ladies and gentlemen, Cluster 3! magiging ang mga aktibong kapitanes, kagawad, barangay kagawad, SK Chairman of the 80 Barangays of Lawag, kasama nagiging SK Kagawad, Barangay Tanods, at lahat ng naging parte at nag-ambag para makabuo ng ganitong presentasyon ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat at paunin ninyo ang aming pagsaludo.
Once again, everyone, palakpakan naman po natin. Hindi po maging kompleto ang selebrasyon na ito kung hindi rin po dahil sa kanila. Thank you. Once again, we have our Northwestern University students from the College of Criminal Justice Education and College of Maritime Education.
And of course, kasama din natin ang Data Center College
Of the Philippines.
Lawag.
We have their criminology students. Maraming salamat, Data Center College of the Philippines. Oh, kaway-kaway naman. Yan. Come on. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Thank you. At ganun din po ang mga kasama rin natin sa PNP and BFP. And as well as from the hospital, of course. Thank you so much.